Today we are going to make a tasty spiced black tea. So we are going to start out with a tea ball. We're going to load it with 1 teaspoon of black tea, a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon to round it out. From there, we are going to seal it up and place it in our teapot. Add some water that is just shy of boiling and steep for 7 minutes. And just like that, it's ready to enjoy. This blend is very reminiscent of delicious holiday flavors like hot apple cider. This blend also has some health benefits. The cinnamon is great for heart health and blood sugar regulation, while the ginger settles the stomach. Optionally, I like to stir in just a bit of honey. Agave nectar, sugar, Splenda, or whatever your sweetener of choice is will work just fine. Cheers! Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.